disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way.
As you know, this rugged phone has the camping light on the back. So while video recording, you can turn on just on one button. There's a customized button. So I customize one click to turning on the camping light. So while video recording, you can use it. So you don't need to bring any external lightning. So you can use this making videos, filming videos, or filming vlogs in nighttime. This is perfect. Now I'm recording the video from the back camera of Oukitel WP56. This time I have picked 4K because it offers the 4K video quality, that is the max, and still it does not show the FPS. However, this is 4K. The result looks pretty nice. Let me show you the zooming result. There are some building, so let's try from here. This is 1x, and this is 2x. Nice. This is 4x. Well, to be honest, I said I don't expect good video quality from the rugged phone, but this offers pretty nice back camera and the front camera video quality. Now I'm recording the video from the front camera of Oukitel WP56. Well, I don't expect a lot in the video quality from the rugged phone, but this video quality looks pretty nice. I'm walking slowly, and the video quality you will get, the maximum you will get 1080p. It does not show the FPS, but this is 1080p. It does not offer you 4K. However, the 1080p result looks pretty nice. You can see the color grading and very nice. Not bad. One more thing, while recording the video from the front camera, you can zoom in. So this is 1x from the front camera. I'm recording the video, and now you can zoom in. Wow. It can be zoomed till 4x. Wow.
Talking about the weather. Talking about the weather.